Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and here we are. It is Pantry Cooking for Tuesday. I am so excited. I am going to be making a soup today, and one of my favorite, you can see I've already used almost all of the potato soup mix that I made. This one is so good, and when you open it, you smell it, it is marvelous. So this one, the ingredients, or the recipe is half a cup of soup mix in a bowl, and you stir in a cup of boiling water until it's smooth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and boil the water. And then the thing is, I have some leftover chicken pot pie filling that I made for a different video. So I'm going to add all that together and make it like a really creamy, yummy chicken pot pie soup. So let me go get this boiling, and then I will pour this in and we'll get started. All right, the water's boiling, and now I'm just going to take the potato soup and mix it in. And I'm going to stir it until it gets nice and thick. You guys can see that. Oh, it smells so good, too. I love it. And I don't know if you can dehydrate potatoes and then you would have to grind them serious. I have tried to dehydrate potatoes and make instant potatoes, and it's hard because they make like little hard pieces. It's hard to rehydrate them. This is just more convenient to use the potatoes that you can, buy. So if you want to try it out with different ingredients, I have a lot of people ask if you can substitute different ingredients for these. I don't know. I've only ever made them the way they are in the recipe because I know that that is always going to work. But go ahead and try different things if you want. Okay, so now that's kind of thickened up a little bit. Okay, so that is nice. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take over this leftover chicken pot pie filling. And now I'm going to have to heat that because this is cold. So I'm going to have to put this back on the burner and get it nice and hot. But I think it's going to be the best chicken pot pie soup ever. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to put this back on, let it get nice and hot. Then I'm going to put it in my bowls. Then I'm going to show you how it's done. So quick, like 5 minutes is all it took. And look, it's so good. All right, I'm going to taste this just because it's this potato soup mix, and it's actually one of my favorite mixes. But I'm going to taste it with this awesome chicken pot pie filling. That is so good. I just love the seasoning in this. And you know what you could do with that? You could take a can of like cream corn, mix it in there, and make a corn chowder. You could put anything you want in there. Any kind of a pot pie filling, anything, and just turn it into whatever that is chowder. This is so good. I hope you guys give this mix a try. Perfect thing for Pantry Cooking for Tuesday. And the cool thing about something like this, Brian is outside right now in the rain trying to fix rain gutters. And yes, I have been out there to help him. He doesn't need any more help. But he can come into this nice, quick, lovely, really warm, yummy soup. So I'm sure that this is going to help him after he's been out in the rain and the cold fixing the gutter. So this is awesome. I hope you guys try it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.